Muy bien, en el siguiente tutorial vamos a aprender cómo acceder a la página de Flipgrid a través de nuestro curso. Entonces, básicamente, vamos a ir al segundo bimestre. Nos vamos a la actividad del Review Week. Ahí hay un documento de Word que se puede abrir. Se accesa a este documento de Word, ¿verdad? Se descarga, se abre dicho documento. Y al abrir este documento, se nos va a dar acceso a algunos links que vamos a utilizar para este fin, ¿verdad? Para poder realizar este trabajo. Entonces, aquí las instrucciones, podemos ver que aquí está la dirección, la copiamos, vamos a copiarla bien desde la orilla, muy bien, se copia, bajamos aquí y pues vamos a colocar ahora en otra ventana la dirección que hemos copiado. Le damos a accesar y ahí básicamente encontramos el espacio de Flipgrid, ¿verdad? Les recuerda un poco las instrucciones para poderlas tomar en cuenta y luego pues es básicamente cuestión de darle clic a este botón verde para poder empezar a grabar. Les va a pedir que puedan ingresar con algún usuario en específico. Yo uso el del colegio. Entonces voy a ingresar con el usuario del colegio, lo reconoce. Para esto será importante que también creemos un usuario, ¿verdad? En Flipgrid también. Bueno, básicamente entonces ya aparece la opción para poderme yo grabar. Entonces esta es una prueba. Vamos a hacer un intento. Okay, so this is a trial. Hello guys. This is a trial so you can see how Flipgrid works. As you can see, it's already recording. I can add stickers to my video if I want to add a sticker, for example, to express that I'm happy. I can add it and I can move it during the video. And I can do several things here, but that is extra, right? Because what we want to do is to show the report. Here you can see that the time is counting. You have a maximum of 5 minutes to do what is said in the instructions of this Flipgrid. After that, you click on next. Okay, so this is a trial. So you can see that the recording is already made, then you say next. And if you want, you can take a selfie as the background of your work. So I'm gonna use, let me see, filters. No, I don't want to filter. I want to use this. I'm gonna use an emoji, and here it gives me the option of language. And there is one that I usually use and that I like to use. Let's see if it loads. So world languages, right? English is a world language. I'm gonna make it smaller. I'm gonna drag it up. And no, I don't like it up, sorry. I'm gonna take a little bit of distance so it looks better. Yeah, let's do it smaller now. Let's see, smaller. Okay, good. I already took the picture of it. You can see, then I give next. So, good. I'm posting the title, and let's say that I'm talking about, in my case, I'm introducing the assignment. Maybe you're gonna talk about a panda teeth, or I don't know, the title of your report could be useful here. And then you submit the video. Okay, with that, I'm basically done. I have completed my task, and the video will be recorded as part of the tasks we already have here. So I can give it a refresh. Let's see if I refresh it, if we can see the video. So you can see that it's there. You see, there's my video. And you're also invited, if you want to comment on your videos. If you want to listen to the video of your classmates and react, you can click here and you can make a new video giving your opinion to your classmates about your report. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.